Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got some very special products that I'm unboxing today. I think you might know what it is if you came here from the vlog. If you haven't, go watch that already, but after this video. So here I have something from the Apple Store, and I paid for this one myself. I'm not popular enough for Apple to sponsor me, but maybe if you subscribed and 5 other million people subscribed, we would get there. So make sure you do that now. So what I picked up today is this amazing charger made by Apple. It's the most revolutionary product they've had out in a while. This USB Type-C charger is going to change the game for the mobile industry. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. I'm kidding. I have a new phone, but I only have the iPhone 12 because I'm actually going to upgrade from my old iPhone 7 to this one. So let's see how the new upgrade stack up against a phone that's 4 years old and honestly still runs perfectly fine. I just thought it's been a while, so it's time for an upgrade. So we picked up 2 things from the Apple Store today. One, we got the phone, and we also had to get this charger. Now, you may be wondering why I picked up one of these. Shouldn't it come in the box? Well, it doesn't. As you can see, this box is very tiny, and it no longer holds one of these charging blocks. Apple says that the reason is environmental, and I would have believed that, except the charging cable that the phone comes with only works with USB Type-C plugs like this one. You can pick up one of these for $20 in the US, or if you're in Canada like me, you can pick this up for 25 Canadian rupees. Let's unbox the charger to see what it looks like first. So this little guy comes with a warranty information sticker and the power adapter information. It's a USB-C power adapter. So this can work with any USB-C device, not necessarily just the iPhone. I'm gonna unwrap this here. Oh, gotta say, even for a basic charging brick, this thing feels very premium. The plastic here is very grippy, and it looks like it's solidly made and it'll last a while. It is fairly heavy for its size, so I gotta say, it feels a lot better than their previous charging bricks. That's the new Apple charger. Now let's get these out of the frame and unbox the new iPhone. I picked up the 128 GB iPhone 12 here, as you can see. And I think 128 GB is a good enough size. So let's see what it looks like here. First opening. Oh wow, they changed how it looks. They changed the packaging. It doesn't come with a sticker on the back anymore. It only comes with a little screen cover on the front. Before we look at the phone, let's take a look at what comes in the box. So as you can see, this is a Type-C cable to Lightning. So this side is Type-C and this side is Lightning. This connects to this little device here, and that side connects to your phone. Let's leave that on the side for now. What do you get in here? We get a SIM tool, which we can just leave here for now. We get one Apple sticker. They don't come with 2 anymore. And the security and handling information, so that nobody reads. So we have 2 of those there because we're in the great Canadian North and we have things in both English and French. So now let's leave all of these back into the box and show the new iPhone. So this is the back of the new phone. You can tell that it's very reflective and it's glass, but on the side it's a very matte finish. So the back is going to be very fingerprint magnety, as I can already tell because I don't have a case on it. And I'm going to be putting a clear case on it and a screen protector. But I love the new finish. It's not a curved design like the previous years, but now it's very flat and it's very reminiscent of the iPhone 5 era of designs. Here's the volume buttons and the vibration toggle. And on the other side, you have the big power button. There's 2 cameras on the back, a wide angle and a normal camera with a flash, and the Apple logo is centered. You have bottom firing speakers and the other speaker is still right here with Face ID built in. So I'll turn on the phone now, and it turns on. Amazing. So let's compare the iPhone 12 to my old iPhone 7 Plus. So as you can probably tell, the screen on the iPhone 12 is significantly larger than my iPhone 7 Plus. But if I stack them on top of each other, the iPhone 12 is significantly narrower and a bit shorter than my iPhone 7 Plus, even though it has a much larger 6.1 inch screen compared to the 5.5 inch of my 7 Plus. In terms of thickness, they both have a bit of a camera bump, and the camera bump is about the same size, but the new phone seems to be slightly thicker than the iPhone 7 Plus. Let's see how both phones feel in the hand. So the iPhone 12 is fairly easy to manage on the side since it is a bit narrower. The 7 Plus requires a bit more finger dexterity to keep a hold of properly. The longer display means reaching the top of the new iPhone is a little bit more difficult than it would be on the iPhone 7 Plus. And the lack of Touch ID means that I'm going to have to get used to the new Face ID system on this new phone. But overall, I'm fairly happy with the upgrade. I get a much larger screen in a much smaller body, and obviously with all of the internals on this phone being significantly better, the OLED screen being significantly nicer too, I think I'm going to really enjoy the new phone. I will have a full video review on the new iPhone 12 and an in-depth comparison comparing the iPhone 7 Plus to the iPhone 12 if you're looking to upgrade from an older iPhone to a new one. So keep an eye out for those. But in the meantime, that's all for me for the unboxing video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any comments you want to leave about the new iPhone, let me know why or why not you might be picking up one of the new iPhone 12s or 12 Pros. Thanks for watching, and always keep learning.